bite my toes.
No. I never hurt you. The power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ compels you.
For the longest time, I was under the assumption that when birds talk, they were just repeating things and they associated certain things with certain things and they would just say it. This bird is having a demonic conversation about killing this person. This bird is a serial killer in another life. I swear.
I don't want you to bite me.
No. I never hurt you.
Ugh. Not only is he trying to scare her, but then he attacks.
That's why. See? Tried to hurt me.
I never hurt you.
This bird understands what it's saying and it understands the implication. This bird would kill her given the opportunity. I wonder what other birds know what they're saying.